And then it was like, why are all these white people starting to follow me? Like, what do they want with me?
Welcome back to Monarch Smart TV, folks. And if this your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy and turn them notification bells and put them on all so you do not miss a content. Why? Because we'll be dropping them bangers that you don't want to miss. And for the rest of y'all old and new, like up this video, please. I'm begging you right now. Go ahead, like up the video. You are ready. In today's video, we got this beautiful African queen, and she's preaching, giving a speech in front of an audience of straight white folks. She trying to get, no matter what race you is, she trying to get everybody together so we could save this country. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. You are ready. So we got our African queen, Shemeka Michelle, and she's speaking in front of an audience of white folks, and she trying to get everyone to come together and save this country. So get your popcorns, get your spliff, get your drinks, get your soda, get whatever y'all need to relax, put your legs up and check out this banger.
Give it up for Walkaway Walk Star, Shemeka Michelle.
You are ready.
I said land of the free.
You are ready. You
I
here?
said land of the free. Home of the brave. I'm the new black Moses, here to free the slaves.
Yeah.
From the Democrats, break the chain, walk away, make America great again.
Yeah.
What's up, walk away?
Yeah. You are ready.
Can you believe it's been 5 years? 5 years, and I haven't been hanged. So either you are the weakest group of white people on the planet, or you're not Democrats.
So what she trying to say? The Dems trying to kill her, and they not Dems because they not trying to kill her.
Let's rewind. 2016, and Brandon picks on me about this. I walked into the voting booth, and I knew I was not voting for that trash Hillary.
Whoa. Crooked Hillary?
But I wasn't yet confident enough to vote right. So I voted for Jill Stein. Yeah, I know.
Who
and
was
Brandon
that?
laughs at me as if that compares to him voting for Hillary and then crying about it.
Crooked Hillary.
However, I was so mad at myself. Like, Shemeka, you knew exactly what you were supposed to do. Why didn't you do it? So I have been on a mission ever since because I decided I would not be silenced anymore.
Good for you.
Especially when no one was looking. So fast forward to 2018, I got kicked off Facebook for saying things that I thought were common sense. I had no idea I would get pushback for saying men can't be women, women can't be men, children should not be castrated. I thought this was just common sense stuff.
Facts.
So I got kicked off Facebook, and my friend said, start putting your content on Twitter. And I said, why? I got like 20 followers, maybe 20. She said, start putting your content on Twitter. And so that's what I started to do in 2018. And then it was like, why are all these white people starting to follow me? Like, what do they want with me? I see white people. And someone DM'd me and said, you have to get with Brandon Strock. He started this campaign.
See, I'm trying to tell you, everybody ain't racist, man. A lot of white folks seen that she was preaching the right stuff and got with her. You feel me?
It's about walking away from the Democrat Party. I had no idea I had actually walked away. I'm like, this is just easy, common sense stuff. But I met with Brandon. He was doing a show at the time, so we went live. I went on the show with him and Laura Loomer and Anomaly, and I just started to actually be in the mix. And I got on him last night because 2018, the march in D.C., I was not there. But 2019, for the 1-year anniversary, I was there, and I've been active ever since.
Okay. Good for you, good for you, good for you. You are
and
ready.
Let me tell you, I think the 2020 Rescue America rallies were actually prophetic.
Okay.
Because though it seemed as in 2020, we had the Summer of Love. We won't forget that. It seemed as if America needed to be rescued. But now, more than ever, it is so imperative that we get this message out to walk away.
Yes.
Because now our country is on the brink of extinction.
Yes, ma'am.
If we don't actually stand up right now, this country as we know it may be all over with.
Facts.
So now is the time that we really have to walk away. Now is the time that we really have to rescue America.
Facts.
And look, they told me I had 5 minutes, but I'd rather ask for forgiveness than ask for permission. And so right now, it's time that we actually kick in the door, wave in the 4-4. It's time for us to not be silent anymore.
Facts. Kick that Biggie-ish.
See, we can come together and we can get dressed nice and we can be cute and we
ma'am.
can laugh and we can have a few drinks, but we actually have a country to save.
Yes, ma'am. Preach on, preach on, preach on. Facts.
And 5 is the number of grace. But it's time out for grace. It's time for us to get mean. It's time for us to get mad. It's time for us to get nasty. It's time for us to go on offense opposed to being on defense.
Yes, ma'am.
The Democrats are always 2 steps ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
It's time for us to stop being afraid and do exactly what we need to do.
Facts. Speak that ish. Beautiful black sister.
Land of the free, home of the brave.
Yes, ma'am. Gots to be brave. Don't be scared.
So I just want to welcome you to WalkaCon. Welcome you to this 5-year anniversary. And I'm here to say they will not silence me. Listen, this is 2023, not 1823.
Facts.
And I woke up this morning, there were no chains holding me, right? So I'm free, and I'm going to preach a message of freedom, and I believe that we're going to actually do something awesome and amazing and take back this country.
Yes, ma'am.
Take back this country.
Yes, ma'am.
Take back this country.
Yes, ma'am. Look all these beautiful white folks.
And we're going to continue to tell everyone how imperative it is for them to continue to take a step back. Look at the Democrats and decide to walk away.
Yes, ma'am. Facts. Beautiful black sister. Facts. So true. Facts. Beautiful black sister. Thank you for getting together with all these beautiful white folks and spreading the word, coming together and try to save this country. If you like content like this, my beautiful people, no matter what race you is, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend, share this video out, like it so YouTube could send it out so I could hit the algorithm or something. You feel me? Peace and love, and we are up out of here.